Dang, I ain't gonna lie. I never knew how crooked that joint was, bro. My back, yo, that joint is nasty. Look how crooked. Yo, I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna really fix that. That joint look nasty. That shit look nasty. I never knew how crooked. Yo, what's good? What's good? That shit look nasty. Hold up. Yo, yo, yo. Oh yeah, it worked. Yo, I never knew how crooked that joint look. Oh shit. Woo! My boy eating. My boy eating, man. He sound like me. I just finesse FanDuel. I put $100 on every team. I'm gonna win some money. I don't care who win the playoffs. I should have put more. Who I put 100. I wish the Nuggets would have won. I would have won like shit. I would have won like 2.5 bands. But everyone, I think I win like 600. What was it? 600. I think OKC, I just win my money back. Fuck OKC. I don't want OKC. I wish the Nuggets won it yesterday, man. But fuck it. That nigga said I hit to 10K. My boy eating. And I'm about to get another prop firm for you. I had to tell you a story, man. That fucking top tier trash, bro. Not is it top tier? Yeah, I went with this shit called E8. That shit smooth. I'm about to pass easy. I went with some shit called E8. That joint is smooth. Cause man, all I be doing, I got some investments. I was thinking about taking out a band and just buying a 200K account because I want to buy another account. I'm about to pass this one. I just want to buy another one low key. After I fucking pass on that nigga say he won 10K. Yeah, I'm trying to get like you. Oh shit. I'm trying to get like my man. Hold up. I ain't gonna lie. I had 85 subscribers. Shit called E8. Like E, the letter E, and then 8, the number 8. This shit was smooth. I'm about to pass. I'm about to pass in like a week. Cause top tier, soon as I was about to pass tops, bro, I don't know. Ever since I've been fucking studying all day and figuring out what to do, man, the platform's really easy as hell. I just wait for my setup and enter the bitch. What was I gonna say? Yeah, E8. I was about to pass Top Step. You know the shit. What's it called? What's that black nigga name? Jamaican nigga. Q Banks. Yeah, I think that's that nigga. I'm about to pass this shit. They up to talking about I'm over leveraging. So I was like, bro, I don't want to play. I don't want to fuck with this firm no more. So I went with this shit. I looked up some research. Went on E8. That shit doing numbers. I ain't got no bad reviews right now. Shit. As soon as I pass that one, I bought a 50K one. I'm gonna just try to get 2%, a percent really. Get like I think they take what 20%. Get my $800 or something, and just buy another prop firm. Buy like a 200K one. After that, I'm gonna just start investing in my own trading shit. Cause Robinhood, how I use Robinhood, I don't know how you. I just fucking hold that shit. There ain't no point. I just know to hold it. I don't really want to get too technical with the other shit. If I'm day trading, I'd rather just day trade like this. And I love that trade. That trade lock was smooth as hell. I'm kind of glad I got back to my roots. It was a point I was like, man, fuck this trading shit. I ain't say fuck it, but it was a point like, man, I don't really care to do this shit no more like that. I was like that for like, even when I won like 9 bands off them crypto last month, like in November, I was like, man, just fuck this shit, man. I'm gonna just long term invest. I ain't even gonna like day trade. But ever since I started day trading and really passing these shits, man, this shit been working numbers for me. And I just been testing the shit every day. So I'm like, man, what do I gotta do to be like profitable? But it's some shit I made up the man EI system. I'm too profitable right there. Too profitable. All right, let's get to testing. So boom. So 530. Nah, I'm not going. Let's go to 5. Turn this. The ball off. Too profitable. I just wait. This is the regular time. The EI joint. This joint crazy to me. Just wait for setup. Follow the trend. If it tap there a certain amount of times and it goes back up, you just enter. Yeah, it works 50%, 3.5 RR. Crazy. All right, let's go. Just this shit look nasty. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 So let's get that. Let's get back to business. You don't like that. I like this one. Probably wouldn't answer. Probably would never can. I ain't gonna lie, I like this one. Probably enter. Let's see. Quick. Boom. Yeah, work, but man, damn. I'm about to change this 530 shit though. I don't really be trading 530. Probably enter. Yeah, you would have answered. Fuck it, let's see. Man, I probably would have answered Loki. I enter. Oh shit, what time is it? This don't count. It's counted. Um, setting. No, we not gonna count it. We not gonna count it. So boom. You see how price don't want to break here? It doesn't want to break. So you just find where it dips down at. Enter at the 50. I'm telling you, this shit worked like 80% of the time. 80. I'm telling you. You know what? Hmm. It's kind of out as a tree then. Okay. You can switch it to tree. You know, tree be working. Now ER, let's see. Let's see if this ER talking about something. Whoopsie. That probably would have been an enter right there. No, that's no enter. Uh, is there any entries? No, no. Let's see. One, two, no entries. One, two, no entries. I'll see. Okay, no entries so far. Okay, that probably an entry. This is probably an entry of the tree. You see, it's not break. It's not breaking here. It's in an uptrend. If it hit 50, you just enter. Doesn't hit 50, you don't enter. So boom, it breaks out. Comes even farther. Well, that's the C5. We don't look too much at the 5. It's still in an uptrend. So I'm not really biased to sell, but if it starts selling, it just starts selling. So what I'll do, wait. I'll probably just wait it out. If it breaks up and then goes back down, I'll wait it out. As you can see, like I said, price got to tap somewhere around here twice. So if it taps, boom, comes out and goes back in. Okay. So boom, comes back in. So boom. Fuck with the 5 minute. Gotta say it's starting to sell. I'll start to sell. Like this would have been a loss. I think did not take this. I think I took this. I swear I took this. I didn't take this, bro. I don't know. You know, some setups just be looking the same. Oh my god, I didn't take this. Seemed like something I'd take, low key. I feel like I took this. But we gonna count that as a L, man. We can count that as a L because it feels like something I'll take. Boom, boom. Yeah, I like that. I would have took that. Yeah, I would have took that. Look how it just dropped. That's a. Let's see. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh, we got a right tree forever. I'm right. I'm I'm slacking. What is this? This is gold. This is 30 size. So W1 L. So boom. So that's a W. So boom, boom. I think that's a L. It tapped there. We got to see though. Yo, that's an L. So 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 1 and 2 for the 1.7 R. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. We might have had entered this too. Not there quite. Not there quite. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. Yeah, if it went straight down. Alright. Damn. Maybe. This is an entry low key. So you can say L again. This is a L. So 2 and 2. But there's another W right there. So I, W, I. So 3. We gotta see if this one is a W. It might not. Damn. So hopefully it might not. It don't look like. Okay. Okay. Damn. All right. It's a W. So boom. We're at 2 and 3 and 3 and 2 with the 17RR. I ain't taking this. So boom. Did I write a? Hold up. US 30. Oh. Okay. I don't really see no EIs. No EIs is formed against us over here. Starting. All right. Delete this. Delete all that shit. We are not joy beam. We are not joy beam. This is a God's dream. This is a God's dream. It's everything. We are not joy. Come on, bro. I'm telling you, man. And I don't even be trading tree. I just trade the EI system. Like majority of the time. I know I should start trading tree on 30, not gold. EI works. You know what's the crazy? EI works super good on 30. And no, it works super good on gold and not on 30. And tree works on 30. But EI is such a good thing. You can use it on 32. But I wouldn't use like tree too much on gold. Like I just use it on 30. Because you can, it's so much setups you can catch. Like EI, it ain't so much you can catch. Like you have to really wait, bro. Like this is kind of like an EI forming right here, but I don't like it in the trend if it don't go in our direction. Like yes, it's on a 5 minute. It could say it's going up, and then you could catch it. So like one touch, don't have a touch down here. So we're gonna see. Like look, if it touch, all right, boom. Gotta respect that. So this is what an EI. This is not the cleanest EI. So comes up, touch, comes down, touch, into right here, somewhere right here. So 2 touches, 1, 2. This is your entry. This is your entry right here, and this is your take profit. But a nigga like me wouldn't answer off a downtrend. It's not really a downtrend, but prices just keep going down. Like I just want to ride the trend. Like as in, I really think it is gonna go up. I don't remember because it's Friday. But 1, 2, 3. But I try to look for a smaller EI. So like this is too big to enter for me. Like if you enter from here, fine. But I will wait till like I see something like this. Boom. You see this one? Look how small this one is. Got the tree set up. And look how small. And I take the same percentage. I don't care how much pips I take. It's the same. Like this is if I win $300 from this trade, I win 300 from this one because it's the same risk reward. So I'd have did like something like right here. It's always 3 to 5. So something like 3.7. So boom. Let's see if it hit. Doesn't hit. Boom. All right, we lose out. Boom. But I think tree works. Yeah, the tree works. But the EI doesn't work. I won't even take this EI though, but that's basically the system. So this tree works though. 1, 2, 3. 3. So boom, it hits there. So the tree works. But we gonna say we lost from these other trees though. Why? Because boom, 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 lost. Boom, 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 lost. Because it goes down 3. Nah, but it don't lose off the 101s though. That's crazy. It just lose off the 1.4s. That's nasty. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Look at this. So it will win twice, but it would lose twice of 1.4. Damn. So that'd be 5. So we'd be 5 losses, 4 and 5. And oh, look at that big ass difference. I don't like that. That's like one of the biggest difference. But like I said, you want to take every setup. That's the risk you're willing to take. But this you can tell the EI works because look, if it don't come down here, you can still enter off like good ones. It's wick, another tree setup. I ain't gonna lie. Never mind. We're gonna take that tree. We're gonna because it's kind of close to. Let's see. That's a tree. So we count that as a W. Damn, now I want to delete. I want to delete like 3 trees because will we even take it buying? And it all right, this one loses. Boom, 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 lose. This one lost. This one doesn't loses. So boom, another tree formed against us. I really fucked up on the tree because 3 of them, if we really want to go back and delete 3 of them, what was it? It was 2 L's and 1 W for thing. So we delete 2 L's and 1 W, and we just delete 3 W's. 2, 3. Because if we gotta follow trend, and trend is really telling us that. I was just explaining the EI system. Like I wouldn't take this EI, but if price show me it wants to go back up, it's showing me it wants to go back up. Really, it's showing me a sell EI. Like look, now it's time to sell. Look, this is the EI I probably would take. Boom, boom. I think I took a gold EI too. So boom, boom. This one right here. What the fuck? Okay, that's okay. So let's all right, we 3 and 5 for now. 5. Just remember, if we 3 and 5, we just gotta delete. Oh man, that's sticky. 3 and 5. Oh. So we 3 and 5 right now. That's 6 and 2. All right. Hopefully we can find another email. So boom, we in this. All right, where we will enter? Doom, doom. We can enter this one as an EI. The one we call the tree. Oh shit, that's not even. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Look, there's how I enter. It's in a sell trend. Comes up, hits here, comes up, hits here. You want to sell? Doesn't want to break here. It doesn't want to break. You can sell off here. You can that's too small. So all right, the first sell is right here, but that's a triple. That's a triple tree, which is I don't try to sell off the first 50 retracement because it doesn't make sense to me. I try to sell when it drops more. Like, so say if it comes down, it comes up, something like this, but you will lose, and this is too small. I need to see something clean. So the EI is not really formed. Like, all right, now with EI. So say this is perfect right here. I don't know if it's gonna happen. We gonna figure out in like 10 seconds. So this is perfect. Boom. And it comes back to price where it's like I like entering the 3-to-1 EIs where price is really going to hit. Like if it's like all the way down here, no, I'm not entering that bitch. Well, I'm gonna just look for a smaller EI if it gives me one. So boom, 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 never happens. It's starting to break back up, and what it's telling me, his price doesn't want to go down. So that's all you got to do. Price doesn't want to go down no more. As you can see, look, price doesn't want to go down no more. Or to be honest, you will lose because I ain't gonna lie, I don't even enter triple EIs. I could just enter this one. I would have entered this one. Low key, I would have entered this one. Would have won a 1-to-1 and would have lost. So we could just count. I count this as a loss. So EI, boom, you count this one as a loss, baby. But this not bad. Like it's happened. This worked majority of the time. So you can't even get mad. So boom. So boom, I like how that look. Now price is going back up. You got the triple tree. Hopefully, boom, you enter that tree. So boom, it works. So we're 6-3 and 7-2. Just follow trend. I'm telling you, I'm just following trend, and this is just following trend. Like really follow trend that too. If it's sloppy looking, it's arranging. Like you can tell this is not ranging. It comes up. It wicks, boom, it wicks. You can tell this is not ranging. You can say it wants to go in the range back up, but you don't want to take that risk. You can say it wants to go back up. It's about looking at the 5 and be like, it is going up. You can say that, but I don't like over analyzing. Just make it simple. Just sell. It didn't work. It just didn't work. It is better if it was an uptrend and then it's on up and it did this. That would have been wow. That's like glow work. But if you want to wait for that, fine. Like say if you don't feel safe, just say if you don't feel safe selling. All right, 5 minute. It's saying it's still up, but it doesn't stay like bullish for a long time. So that's why I say I sell to a point where price look like it's supposed to hit. So even if it's buy, I don't really care. It's telling me sell right now, and it's respecting my zone. I'm gonna sell to here, and it could come back up all it wants to. Now I'm back in buy's tree. Boom, respected. Would I enter this tree? Probably not, but maybe I would. I don't know. Too small. I probably wouldn't notice it. Look how quick nah, I would enter. It happened too fast. Boom, boom, boom. Maybe this tree I'll enter. Uh, let's see. Yeah, I'll enter this. Boom. We could say L. I'll give it an L for that one. Because sometimes you gotta be realistic. The tree don't gotta be perfect, but 6-4 and 7-3. I like the 6-4 more because it's a 1.7 than a break even 1-to-1. I just don't like 1-to-1s, bro. I just don't like 1-to-1s. Low key, this might be over. It's 1 o'clock. It's our one. Wait a little bit. All right, you wait. Boom. We come back to the market. It's about 1:30. So what do we see? You can see a small EI being formed. Boom. Comes down. We wait. Let it come down. For respect. EI is formed against us. So boom, 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 boom. So respect is in an uptrend. You wait for price to show its hand. can enter here, but if you don't want to enter here, like I used to enter at here. I didn't like it though, because price can still, can still come back down. So boom. But if you enter here, let's just say you enter here, does hit. Maybe that's the only one you can enter. This would have been a perfect one if it went up after this. Did I enter that? I don't even think I traded US 30. Damn, I wrote it though. I wrote it. Look, I know what I be talking about. Why would I delete this? How the fuck did I do this? I was, you see, you just gotta. Yeah, I thought this was gonna sell. I wrote that. I don't know, man. I'm not gonna write nothing. I'm not gonna write nothing. Cause I probably wouldn't have entered that shit low key. And if I enter that shit, you know how much other shits I was supposed to. But even though if I enter that shit, I would have low key. If I entered this one, would have low key won this one. Cause look, we enter from here, boom, boom. We'd have won at 3. So you could have won 2 EIs just entering early. I just don't like entering early. That shit is just nasty to me. Like, don't get me wrong, it does work. It's just not. It's not. I don't think it's the best bet though. Like, I don't think it's the best. Like, say come here, tap here, then you want to enter like right off. Like, damn, do a little range in and then drop. That's why I don't really like entering. I usually like boom in here, take off a little bit, drop a little bit. Like you catch it off the smallest move. Like say if this like this was red too. You'll wait till the 50 come and then enter basically. So yeah, we just missed that one. What's this? 230. They say we lost off the tree. Fuck it. We gonna say we lose tree. Oh fuck. Why does it keep? Damn. I'm trying to. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to write in my box. Like I said, he could have been 2-0 off EI, but shit, I'm not taking that. It's just something I don't feel comfortable taking. Even though I'm 6-5 off it, I feel way better being 6-5 off of 1R than fucking 5, 6, 7, 7-4 off of 101. I just do. It's just because I win more money. I don't feel safe, man. I don't feel safe. So boom, you'd lose off that one. Probably not. Low key, probably won't. Man, I'll say I'll lose because I ain't gonna lie. I probably would have entered that bitch. I would have entered. Straight, I would have entered like that. You can see another ER being formed. So, oh shit, you probably lose this one too. Yeah, you can say you lose this one, shit. But ain't nothing but realness. Even so, we're 6-6. We're 6-6 off. And then I'd rather be 6-6, low key, because off of 1-7, you still profitable. Still profitable. You're not gonna take every one though, guarantee you're not. But it's still profitable. So boom, all I look for. I'm looking. Let's see. I'm looking. Boom. If it respects it, it respects. Boom. I want that pull down now. I want it now. I want it. Boom. Boom. I enter off this one. Boom. I enter. Boom. Let it sizzle up. Boom. You enter. And then you lose. Boom. So that's a L. Damn. You might just haven't been. I don't know. I don't be trading. Today want a good day. But look. But look, it still hit though. I just want that 2.7. I don't really like where it's at, low key, because the market is already so damn high. But we just saying we're entering. Like mainly, if it's 230 me, I wouldn't enter. But I gotta calculate all stats, no matter if I enter or not. Like every good entry. So this is a good entry. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna hold you because you're gonna enter this and not enter this. Crazy. So boom, 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 boom. Another one. Boom, boom. Let's just say if price is done. Price about to do something crazy to watch. Yup. I told you, Price gonna do something crazy. At the end of every Friday, Price always something crazy always happen by the end of the day. What was it? It's about probably 4 o'clock. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. But yeah, you missed 2 EI, so yeah. Let's see. But it really works for like I said, it's a gold strategy. Like it still works. It still works wonders for 30. Don't trust that. It still works wonders. So you would have went 3%, -2%, probably you would have went 1.7 take away 2, probably -3%, -0.3, -0.3%. So you'd have been negative for the day. Negative. Some days you just gotta go negative, nigga. Negative, negative, and then what is this? Two. What is this? 2%. Watch this. I went 2%. I think 7 out of 5 and 6 out of 6. So 6 out of 6. This is 2%. Watch this. I'm gonna see what the 6 out of 6 is. Probably the same, or almost the same. Probably a little higher of the 6 out of 6. Let's watch. So 1.7 times 6. Take away 6. 4.2. We went 4.2 on the 6 to 6. So 4.2%. So, like I said, I always fuck with Tree. And Tree is going to change. I'm going to be done. I'm going to take stats side to side like how I'm taking it at 530, that 1 to 7 RR. Because 1 to 7 RR is a little better. Low key. It's just don't let the fucking stats fool you. Like some days it's just better than others. Like some days I was doing 3 to ROR. That shit was horrible. But I swear one day will make up for it. I catch 4 3 to R's back to back. That make up for the 4 bad days. You know. So this is 16. That's it. 2 3 thing. It's really a nasty day. Okay. But let's see go. I traded gold once today? Or twice? I only traded one trade. Yeah, yesterday. Yeah, I only traded once. Yeah, and I actually took a good setup. Look, yeah, it went to that 1.4, then it rose up. I was trying to hit here, didn't hit. Oh, did it? No, no, no. I was in this one for some odd reason. Where the fuck did I enter? I entered here, but it wicked here, but I didn't lose it. I remember coming all the way down here, then losing though, because I re-entered somewhere. No, this was the other day. I'm tripping, bro. It was a 30. Yeah, I just entered, but I remember it coming down here and then losing. I don't remember just instantly losing. Like if I would have entered here, then lost in like 2 minutes. I just don't remember that. I just don't remember. I just don't remember. All right, let's see. What's that? Ooh, is it the 16? Okay, I ain't gonna lie. I don't want to do all that. Fuck it. I really don't want to take all these stats for this fucking 530 because it's like I'm not even. Oh, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take it one more time. I'll take it. I should be taking it for 30 low key. Nah, 30 is the 1.7. You can tell it's the 1.7. I really don't. We gonna keep it, bro. We gonna still keep it. We can probably use something eventually. I don't know when. I don't know when, but we probably could do something eventually with this shit. We probably could do something eventually with it. Come on. Back up. Back up. Back up. I like how that looks. Alright. Now delete all. That was, bro. Thursday was crazy, bro. That's it. That shit said 13%. Oh, I tell you, for gold, that EI is fucking magical because it happens so much times on gold. How gold moves, it happens so much than US 30. It happens way more, bro. Okay, so yeah. All right, we got the gold. Damn, do I write the percentage for fucking 30, but not for gold? All right, you can see it's a winning percentage, but damn, 4.2. I ain't gonna lie, I like the tree setup. I might have to. I can't use it. What? What you want? Huh? You want to go outside? All right, hold on. Let me finish this live and we can go outside. Get your ass on. Bless you. I don't even wake up. I gotta stop doing this 530 shit. I just gotta. It's like I wake up at 530, but I don't like how this looks. To be honest, I don't. You can say it's in a. You can say it's in a. And but you're gonna do so. I boom 530. You can just write an L. So L's all across the board. Oh my gosh. I don't like it because it's like it's so much. I would have entered that. Well, I would have entered that. That looks nice. Flip it, sandwich it, spread it out like jelly. One, boom. So that's a W for on the RR. Because it's in between, so I'm counting it as both. And it look like it's going on. Oh my gosh, bro. Alright. 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 Damn. I see some days, it be Fridays, I just didn't usually want to trade. Okay, so we can go to sales. So I sell right here. So it's this 101. Going to hit for at least hit 14. Hit for boom. As long as it hit that, we gonna all right. We boom. At least we just gotta calculate and then go back and write more. So one, one, one. So boom. All right. So boom. It does hit all of them. Now, does it hit all of them again? So let's delete this. Let's delete this because I'm not sure. I'm not fixing it. I'd rather just get a brand new one. I could just draw. I don't like fixing it. So boom. This one hits again. Oh my god. So one, one, two, one, two. So it hits again for all three. Come on, I'm not even clicking that, bro. Alright, push. Alright. Oh, and alright. Alright. Another one bites the dust. Another one moist the doors. Oh my gosh, another one. So like I said, sometimes the 3 could work wonders. Sometimes you just have to enter without thinking. I'd rather this 1.44 though. If anything, I'd rather the 1.7 than the 3.3. So boom. I wouldn't enter this low key. So boom, boom. Don't enter, no entries. So boom, probably enter this. Low key probably enter this, yeah. Boom, we lose that. So 3. So threes all across the board. I really wouldn't enter this low key. After losing, but maybe, I don't know. Does it hit all angles? Nope. So 1 and 1 and 2. That's why I said, hold up. 1, 1, and 2. All my life, I just wanna. You'll probably enter again. Probably another entry. Yup, another entry. Let's see what it does. It don't even hit a 101. Yup, it hits a 101. It hits all 3. Damn, what time is it? All right, this don't count. Fuck. It don't count, but that would have been damn goals gold, like I said, sometimes that's why I like trading two different opposite pairs. Gold could, it ain't like 30. Sometimes US 30 could be cold and gold could be hot, and then gold could be cold and you know, which one usually like 30 is more acceptable. Like 30, some days one of them is gonna hit gold if EI ain't hitting shit. It's just a hot day. Right, girl? You hungry? Come on. She probably hungry, bro. I gotta. Oh, you wanna go outside? Give me a minute, bro. Give me a minute. 20 minutes, girl. 20 minutes. So boom. All right, tree is getting formed. Tree. Nah, tree lost on both. I don't like tree on. I don't like tree on gold though, cause it does shit like this. Like I'm telling you, you know the market's so good. That shit really be holding you, bro. That shit really be holding you. Delete this shit. I don't even I know it's there. Just delete it. I could see a whole different ER. Let me see. Now I go. I'll have to see an ER. Damn. All right, boom. I could see an ER right here. No ER's form. What is it? Being sales. No ER's form. Boom. I like it. Well, you looking at me like, girl, we about to go outside. Let's give me a minute. Give me a minute. Another tree. Delete this. I don't know. I just gotta delete it. Damn. I'm like just drawing up another one. Okay. Okay, I enter this. I wouldn't enter this shit. You can. But look. This is a better one, but 1, 2, 3. And it's like this is better because you could take advantage. Like I'd have made this one like go to here. Happens too quick. Happens way too quick. I'm gonna just say L. I'm gonna just give this one an L because the first one loses. We're not really even thinking about this one. After we lose, fine. But damn, where is her? Damn, where is her? Oh, did I delete it? Oh yeah, I did delete it. All my life, I can wanna. I think I just lost one ER. I think it was only one ER. To be honest. Yep. And to see if it hit. Bro, it doesn't hit the 1.4. I know that, but it doesn't hit stop loss either. I don't know. I don't. It does hit the. It does hit the 101. I'm about to stop doing 101s. This 101s is like I'm gonna switch it to 1.7. I am gonna switch. I don't care for 101s no more because I don't want to take them. This is my last day doing 101s on the screen because I'm writing it on a sticky note and for 1.7 and it just doesn't make sense. While I'm trying to calculate. The only way I'm doing 101s because I'm trying to calculate how much times 101 hit. Even though I'm statistically don't want to take 101s, I just don't. So I should even just stop doing it. Or statistically, even as 101.70, I don't want to take 101s. I just don't. Doesn't make sense to me because sometimes I could miss so much of them and just take straight losses. Because you're not going to take all setups, but I'd rather have straight losses 3 in a row of a 1.7 than 3 in a row of 101s. Doesn't make sense to me. Just doesn't. So I'm about to just take it away. I don't know. Maybe it does. Maybe it doesn't. It looked like it hits this one. It looks like it hits it. Hopefully, it takes it. I don't know. I want to be. I don't want to. I want to be on the real side and say that's a L. I'm gonna just. I'm gonna give it a. Oh, I really want to give this a L. I do though. I honestly do. Now another tree is being formed. Okay, a fucking. This is gold. Is that right one right here? Yup, yup. Look at it. Yup, yup. Gold. Bro, am I deleting it? No, I'm just so going. All of this will count as one. You see, one. All of this count as one of me. So boom. Oh shit, it did happen. So another tree been formed. So they both 3 and 2. See? I feel way more safer taking a tree off 3 and 2 than fucking I always feel way more safe to 3 to 2 than a fucking then enter or fear off the ER or the enter or fear and boom. Or enter or fear. Another one you can enter off of right here. Get that 50. And usually it looked like it hits. Yeah, this gotta hit. Instead of it's 2 entries, it's really 3 entries. You can enter off this one hits. Boom. It's not a buy though. That's how I probably want to enter it. This one fails. This one fails. Hits. Boom, boom, boom. Loses. This one hits. So this is the one I probably would have entered low key. That's crazy. I'm entering the show of straight losses. I don't know. Maybe I don't like. I just don't want to enter EI early sometimes. Like this ain't a bad entry though, because it can hit up the air, but I don't like it. This is a good entry. Just lose. Take another one right here. This one look like it hits. It kind of doesn't hit. Damn, it doesn't. Probably doesn't. Does. Boom. So shit, you'd have been what 2 for 3. I would have lost this one. This is what I do if I enter a long EI and I guarantee it's going to hit. I did this one time, but fell almost past both of them. Yeah. So enter off this one. Boom, 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 boom. Say we just lose this. All right, we lost. Boom. L goes back up. You come here. If you really want to do it, You enter the EI of this one, make it the same. It is the same TP. So you could have a 6% instead of you lost 1%, you'd have gained 5% instead of fucking 6. Just take that risk, man. Take it. If you think the price is gonna go there, take it. Even if you miss this one, you can say, "Hey, I'm gonna take this one because I think price." I take this one because I'm like, "Hey, price is gonna go here," and it just makes the stop loss. Like I said, it's barrier doesn't want to fucking break. It doesn't look. It's I can't look. It's like someone punching it, so you can't look. I'm start off here. Boom, a hard punch. Boom, a hard punch. My fist hurt. It got to cool down. So cool, smack, cool, smack, cool. You see how it's riding the wave? You feel me? Girl, we gonna go outside soon. I know. But that's not the EI I took. This is the EI I took. And this is the better EI because I'm thinking it's still gonna sell down. Hell yeah, I'm thinking it's still gonna sell down. So I don't know where I entered it from. Show me where I entered. So boom, I wait for the sell. Let's see if I didn't wait for the sell. What would have happened? Oh, I was gonna enter right here. That's crazy. You see, that's what you see how I be trying to enter early. Oh no. I didn't try to enter early because I seen this. It comes down. I seen this wick. It didn't break here, so I tried to enter off that one, and it just. I think I missed it, or I just replaced it or some shit. I don't know, but that's a L. We can write. I want to write 2 L's. I want to write 2 because I took 2. To be honest, I would have took 2. I took this one, but on some weird shit, I swear the broker put me as a buy when I entered this. And I was like, what the fuck? I thought I lost. I'm like, I'm green. I was up here. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, I usually place a stop loss for everything. So how the hell did the broker? I don't know, bro. To this now that I think about it, I'm thinking, how the fuck did the broker put me as a buy? And I put an automatic stop loss when I enter. I don't know. Okay, where I entered that, bro? I entered. I think this. Yeah, this one right here. I think I entered this one. This would have been a nice one right here too. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. I see. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is nice. Oh, that's nice. That's a good one. Not mad on that one. Not mad at all. Not mad at the 2. So yeah, now it's going up. Boom. Tree is pretty pleasing to the eye right here. Very pleasing. Probably goes back. Boom. Tree works. Please, that was pleasing to the eye. Like I'd have entered that tree. Like if I just seen it real quick, that's something I see real quick and I just enter. Right, girl? I would have just entered. So boom. Wow, yeah, it's kind of forming against us. I'll put this as a whole yada. Like, I don't know if it hit. Man, I stopped. I think I stopped once I lost. I was like, once I took one loss, I don't really like Fridays like that. I don't. So, girl, calm down. This is nice. You would have lost. You could just write an L. Let's write this L for 30. I feel, look how good I feel. Like, even, bro, I feel so much better if I just, and we're still 4-3 off the 1.7s. So, boom. Probably could see what this talking about. See what it's talking about. If it push up, it push up. Boom, boom, boom. Lost again. So 4-4. Where's 4? But it's not over yet. It's another one. The other one. Does hit. It came down a little low. He probably got an ER that actually worked. Damn, I wanted to get an ER that works so you go positive. ER just doesn't work. Yeah, you don't get an ER that works. So boom, boom, quick, comes down. This is one touch. It never comes back down to punch this wall. Yeah. Another tree formed against us. That's got to be a 1.4. Hopefully that's a 1.4. It's just a 1.4. Please be a 1.4. I don't know. That's an L? We're going to count it as an L. Because it is an L. Damn, 1.4? But it's a W for the W for tree. Anyway. EI usually works for this. I ain't tripping. EI was so crazy yesterday. What time is it for here? 5:30. You probably done for the day. Doesn't touch here one more time. Did you get a tree? Get a tree. Damn, I want to get an EI. I wanted to get another EI. See if I could like how much EIs was almost formed. Almost. So this EI was formed. This EI was formed. This EI almost formed. This EI almost formed. EI does work though, because gold would have just waked in. You feel me? Probably done right here. I don't really like this. But is it 4? Yeah, I'm probably done. After this wake up, yeah, you could just be done. There's no point in taking none. So boom. So -2. -2%. Girl, you ready? Girl, outside. You ready? Ready to go outside? 1.7. All right. Let's I gotta do it with the cow. 1.7 times 4. Take away what? 3.8. Is it really a 1.7, bro? It might be a 1.6, low key. Let me see. I keep saying through 1.7. It depends, though. It really does depend. Like, let me see. Until let's say 1 point. Yeah, we can say 1 point. Because sometimes it is like, girl, calm down. We about to, you know what? 3.22 times 3. Take away 4. 5.6. Oh man, I feel like mosquito been biting me. 5 points. Girl, calm down. You know what? Yeah, I'm ending the stream. I think she really need to use the bathroom. I ain't never hear her sound like this. All right, peace. Come on, girl.